Good morning, everyone. Dan Gnarly Chicken, balmy -12 Sunday morning to y'all. Just a quick update. Pretty much done my maintenance. Did a video on this already, so I won't go over everything that I did, but a complete rebuild. So I have to put the tank on, put the seat and plastics on. I'm going to see how many kicks this takes to start it, and I predict 4. So with any luck, I already know the starter and all the electrics work because I already snapped the happy button on it and it's firing over. Put the pipe back on once I get it warmed up as per my regular warm-up procedure, which all of you TPI owners should be doing. 60 hours on this guy and not an issue. The cylinder and the piston look brand new on this. So do your warm-up procedure, guys. Stay tuned. When I get this all back together, I'll do a video. I'm predicting 4 kicks. Hopefully, that'll be it. So I'll get back to you soon.